Tingnan niyo po mga guys.
Okay?
Gumagawa siya ng experimento mag-isa niya.
Hello, kabayan!
Itong mamang ito, lagi itong lumalabas sa social media. Kilala ito ng lahat.
Okay? Okay?
Pilipino lang ang gumagawa niya. Pilipino lang ang may puso.
Where are you going?
Kunyari, hindi niya kaya.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Where are you going?
Here.
Where do you want to go?
Yan makikilala ng marami kung paano ang puso ng Pilipino. Pilipino lang ang gumagawa talaga niyan, walang iba. Yan ay public, ano yan eh, public na lugar. Sa dinami-dami ng lahi na dumadaan dito sa lugar na to. Pilipino lang.
Did you eat? You want to eat?
Good.
Go inside? You want to go
Yes.
inside? You want water?
Pilipino lang talaga ang matyaga sa ganyan. Tutulong sa kapwa na hihirapan.
Good.
Pero ito ay eksperimento.
No.
Palabas lang.
Sit here. Want food? Oh, bring it.
Pilipino lang po ang may magandang puso talaga.
Wait for you. Wait here. We'll bring it.
May nakatayo dyan. No? Tingin-tingin lang siya.
Excuse me. It's okay. Come. See there, we are doing video there. Come. I will talk to you. Come. Come. I am here doing video. Come. Come, kabayan.
Napakayaman
Ate,
itong
this
mama
is
na to.
Saudi film. Thank you, ate. Thank you. You are now in the video. Thank you, kabayan. Wallah, thank you. Thank you, kabayan. Thank you. Yeah, wallah, she is crying. Grabe. Wallah, thank you. Wallah, thank you, kabayan. Wallah. So, who hold me, you or her? Her. Okay, you stay here, ate, come. Today is your day off? Okay, you have family in Philippines? Okay. This is tablet. This is masalabong for ikaw, okay? Thank you and keep on doing good things, you know. What you are doing to people will always go back to you, right? So thank you, kabayan. I love you. And thank you, ate. So what is your work? Can we ask?
Yes, we work in Madam's house.
Okay. So you work with the Saudi family. Okay. Can we include this in the video? Well, look, kabayan, she's still crying. Grabe ka na.
Because I'm 6 years old.
Okay, this one for the 6 years old. What is the name? Irvi, this is for ikaw, tablet. Don't open. Keep in plastic until you go Philippine, okay? Thank you, kabayan. I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.